Oh.
Can I feed the bed?
Later.
Hey, Mommy.
Sanctuary pala to.
Can I feed the bed? And I'll put the Dad.
Sila ni siya, no?
Just feed the bed.
Pwede kayo magtilit ng kandila. Tilit ng kandila. Tara, dali. Candle. Tara, dali.
Mommy,
Sama.
I'm coming to you.
Yeah! In here, come here!
Oh, Sophia.
Look, come here, my
So
darling.
don't be scared,
I thought
Sophie.
you're not scared. Come.
Yeah,
I'll put food on
the
your
birds
hands.
love you.
Oh, come on. Come.
You feed her first.
Batul. Here in the middle. So, come on.
You feed her first.
Tingnan po ako. Sample lang ko siya. Sophie, oh. Sophie, oh. Hey, Sophie, oh. Oh, Sophie, oh.
Oh, look, Sophia.
Diri ang maganda libo para makuha mo.
Hindi pa isa-isa lang.
Come here with Mom Shimmy, darling. Come. Come. Wag dyan. Dito. Dito. Come, baby.
Dami, Sophie, oh.
Sophie, don't be.
Sophie, come on. Come on.
Halika, Sophie, oh. Halika, baby girl, oh.
Dito siya. Oh, wag dyan. Sophia, come over here.
Mabidyo mo kami ganyan.
Oh, ditoan ka niyo ba?
Yeah.
Ah?
Kami yan, Sophie. Sophie, oh.
Ah? Come on.
Sophie.
Look, Sophie.
Sophie, oh.
Don't be
Come on na.
scared.
I saw us. We're going home now.
Kaya ako nag-enjoy
Sophie.
dito.
Now he's enjoying. Look at all the birds.
Sophie, oh.
Ano ba?
The birds are so nice, Sophie. Look at the birds, it's so nice. Yeah, feed the birds.
What is it?
Boy, come over here.
Come here, Sophie.
Sophie, oh. Tara mo. Sophie, kami yan, oh. Ah.
Look at the
Ah.
birds.
Hindi, nakaling kamay mo.
Your turn.
Your turn, bahala ka dyan, Sophia.
That was you. And then me.
Come with Mom Shi here.
Ma.
Look at the birds.
There.
Yeah. Mhm. They're friendly, Sophie. No need to be scared. They're very friendly. They love you. Hey. Don't be scared. They're friendly. They love you. They love Sophia. They won't bite Sophie. They're very friendly.
Ah. Okay, yung dalawa ni Daddy magpapakain. Ah. Dito ka, oh. Halika dito, Daddy.
You can see Daddy feed the birds.
Dad? I want to go back there.
Come here with Mom Shi. Come here. Come.
Alam nila yung pagkain nila, oh.
Come here with Mom Shi.
Dito kay Ma'am Shi, oh. Come.
Wow.
Sophia, oh. Pip, pip. Punta sila sa'yo. Yung Sophie pa sila.
I'm watching.
Okay.
Oo, doon ka sa gitna, gal. Tiyog-tiyog ka doon para paikutan ka ng mga bird.
Okay, kami mabutang feeds.
Oo, lakad na.
Lokot ka home. Oh, ngayon ka yun.
Pakainin mo yung bird, Daddy. Gusto mo ikaw yung pakainin ng bird?
Ano dala-dala pa ko nila? Eh, nawar kasi nila. Pero taas ko, please. Kaya iwan mo lang. Ano, no?
Go to Daddy, Sophie.
Lakad na.
Ay,
Ay, si Mike naman.
James, hindi. Si James ang island.
Nalingaw na si Diyos sa manabog.
Na, sige James.
Ah,
Tabog-tabogon ko. Oo, pag gusto mo pala sila maglupad. Yan. Anak, Margie naman. Ikaw naman, Ed. Tapos na ko yan. Ed, ikaw na, Ed.
Tapos na ako eh.
Just tell Mimo.
Okay.
si Pia, ayaw ay nalingaw. Si James ang nalingaw.
Sige na.
Ganun pala yun.
Ikaw pala, no? Ako na.
Galing nila, babalik sila oh.
Excuse me, James. James, excuse.
Nasa kakandun ako to.
This road, I feel it's very narrow. Like the car will do like this that way. It just goes off road. For the few that are next
That was sick.
It's a peacock, and then that's a tiny chicken.
Ang iyang buging wala nag-a-appre, ha?
Maganda yung peacock. Sabi, bukatan
Bubukas siyang paggalit siya.
I want to feed her again.
Yung tail niya, he will only open it to attract the mate. That's the peacock. Lalaki yun, wala mga babae ng peacock kita. Kapag kita babae, display niya para attract niya ang mate. So.
Huh?
Ikap ka.
Look,
Sa kamay mo.
kamay.
Sa kamay mo, oo. Sige. Ba't ka matatakot? Laki-laki mo.
Sige,
go.
Si Margie nga na-feed eh.
Putik ayaw.
Can I put it on the ground here?
Yeah, over there.
Sige, put it in the ground. Sige na, Sophie. Lalapit yan sa'yo. On your feet.
Huh?
Eh, lumalayo siya.
May manok kasi. Hindi ka kasali manok.
O, James, oh.
Malapit din siya. Ay!
Ang sakit pala. Aray. Aray.
Sophie, put there.
Aba mo gini sa Ay, come. Babae na. Kani ma ano?
Lalaki yun.
I'm
Ay, sorry.
scared.
Babae lang ano, tail.
Like a turkey.
Actually,
Yung
she's
ng babae mo, brown. The female is brown part and blue lalaki yan. Ang tulog, blue.
Scared ka? Huwag kang scared. To the bird.
You see the, yeah, they love you, your friends. Just put it on the floor. Okay, put it on the floor and they'll come to you.
Kasi manok eh.
Ma!
Chicken. The chicken.
Yung chicken
also
kasi,
love you.
papansin eh.
Ma!
Now, where's the pigeon? See the pigeon?
Ma, I want to go
No,
deeper.
the rooster is friendly. Oh, the chicken is friendly.
Hindi na yan nagkadto si Ami.
Look at the peacock. Hello, peacock.
Sinasayang mo lang yung punta. Nubos na.
Oo, ini nga daan ho.
Kunti-kunti lang eh. Binubusog mo yung ibon eh.
Daddy, can you put this in my hand again?
Kailangan lang ni Sophie.
Just run to them. Then
I have one on them.
Okay, run to the bird.
run to the
Run.
bird and they will fly. Run, 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 run.
Why that one is not running?
I don't know. Dali, run.
Again?
Yeah, run.
Again, Ma?
Yeah.
Wala, di pa na. You want to drink? Are you thirsty? Baka ma-dehydrate sa tubig niya.
Binigay na sa'yo lahat ng ano, pagkain mo. Sophia, wag dyan dito oh.